Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google business page. First of all, open your browser, then go to the search bar and type business.google.com. The new interface will come. Here you have to sign in. After that, a new interface will come. Then you have to click add your business to Google. Then you have to type your business name. I am entering for demo 5208 and then my business category store type. Then I have to click on next. After clicking next, here is asking me that if I want to add location that customer can visit, then you have to click on yes, then next. Then you have to give your business address. Here you have to give your postal address, street address, city. I am giving such a demo. After that, clicking on next, I give your location in your map. So I am giving random location, and after giving random location, I will click next. And then if you want to deliver home delivery or office visit, then you have to click yes, otherwise no. Then add area, your area, which area do you want to serve, then you have to select this area or it is optional. Then you have to click next. Your contact info, and if you have any current website, then you can put your website URL link. So I am clicking I don't have a website. Then next. In this you have to click yes. After that you have to verify by postcard, by mail or contact. After verifying, your business page will create it. Here you have to give your business hour when you are closed or that. And you can also add message and your business description. I am giving this for demo, and you can add photos. I will skip it, and then you can advertise. And after your business profile is almost ready, you will click continue. After verifying, your business page will be ready. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching the video.